What's up, everybody? It's me, Beer Guy, for another beer review. The Belching Beaver. Yes, this will make you belch. I'm just kidding. It may. I mean, it is a beer, so you probably will belch. It is a 5.3%. It is a peanut butter milk stout, nitro. So, as you can see, the Belching Beaver pouring that bottle like that, that's literally how you pour the bottle. So we're gonna need something bigger than this. We're back. We got a bigger cup. Twin cylinder Harley Davidson. Yeah. So we're gonna pop this open. Look at that. I didn't follow the instructions to the T, okay? I didn't want to get this all over my bar. But look at that, though. You can actually see the bubbles at the line of the foam. That's how it said. It said pour straight up. There's even instructions right there. I don't know if you can read them. But yeah, nitro pouring instructions. So it's a nitro beer. But yeah, that's the whole bottle. Again, it's the Belching Beaver, peanut butter. Let's give it a smell. Yeah, that's peanut butter, all right. Let's give it a taste. Oh, man, ooh, that tastes like, it's like coffee and Nesquik chocolate milk, a little bit of peanut butter. That's literally what that tastes like. I give this a 10 out of 10. Like, this actually tastes really good. Like, it tastes like a Nesquik, like it's like a chocolate milk. Like, this tastes really good. And for being 5.3%, that's not bad. It's a pretty dark beer. Looks like motor oil almost, but ooh,